Your rain boots? We used to call those galoshes back in my day.
Yeah.
They don't look like galoshes these days. They're too pretty.
Yep.
All right, have fun.
I'll see ya.
Bye-bye.
Okay, you guys. Okay, do you know how to close your umbrella?
Yeah,
We'll close it and we'll go in the house, okay? Do you know how to close it? There we go.
You know
how to close it?
Close it?
Can you close it? Can you close yours, Daisy? Let's go in the house now. There we go. There.
There we go. No,
Okay.
it's on.
What? Oh, okay, I'll hold it like this. Now, you want me to hold yours? Okay, now you guys go in the house. Go on in the house. You can take off your raincoat. Do you know how to open the door?
I know.
Good job. Open the door. Open the door.
Let me take my raincoat too.
Okay.
Come
on.
It doesn't get rainy.
Let's go in the house.
Oh, in the house. In the house. In the house.